We're substituting the condition that F must be released earlier than both J and L. Okay, so just that. F must be earlier than J and L. That's it. So, okay. So in terms of what we're getting rid of, that's what I'm imagining. I'm leaving J and L there because L still is before G, J is before H, and so on, right? Okay, so that's gone. What is going to be true about the right answer?
We'd have to get the same arrangement.
Exactly the same arrangement, right? You can't have any deviations. Yeah. So the correct or the wrong answers tend to be easier to get rid of in these answer choices or these questions because they're either going to go too far or they're not going to go far enough, or actually both. So if you can think of one counterexample, it's out.
Yeah.
Okay, so answer choice A, only K can be released earlier than F. Okay, is this going too far? No? If only K can come before F, that was true before, only K could come before F. Honestly, this seems pretty good. Okay, so let's leave that open. B, K must be released earlier than L. Is that something that had to be true before?
Yeah.
No, so this is wrong. It's creating a situation that didn't have to be true before, so it goes too far. Out. F must be released either first or second. Did that have to be true before?
Yes.
That did have to be true. So this is not going too far. Is it going far enough? If F has to be second or first, is that going to force it to be before J, L, H, and G?
It's because L could go in front of it now.
Yeah, L could go in front of it. So you put F in second, and if this is not there, the only constraint is F is first or second, you could slip L into first.
Yeah.
So this is not strong enough. This is what you chose?
Yeah.
Okay. So C is an example of something that doesn't go too far, but doesn't go far enough. D, F must be released earlier than both K and L. No, that does not have to be true, right? Before K can come before it. So this goes too far. Either F or K must be released first. That is true, right? F or K has to be first. Why isn't this good enough?
You could have something like F, L, G, K, J, H. Oh, I'm sorry, that's very different.
That'd be valid.
Yeah.
Even if F or K is first, let's say that K is first. What happens to F? Could be last.
Yeah.
Could be anywhere at that point. So this answer choice is not strong enough, although it doesn't violate any of the original rules. Yes?
So is it A? Is A the answer to it?
A is the answer.
Because the only thing I thought it was a little too strong because it forced F to pick the position.
It forced F to do what? You thought it was too strong
K
because...
is released earlier than F. Though, so if that's the case, F would have to be second.
No, that's not true. This says can. Only K can be released earlier than F. So it doesn't mean that K has to be released earlier than F. It's the only one that's able to, but it might not.
I could knock them all out earlier then, because everything else was a must.
Well, you can't just you can't just look at that. Oh, this one has can and these have must, so we're good to go. That would be a nice test, wouldn't
That
it?
was the secret.
For substitution questions, it's all about the must. All right, other questions on this game while we're on it?